owe a favor, return a favor, curry a favor. Hello guys, this is Olga, and in today's video let's see if you know all of these 6 uses with the word favor. If you don't worry, we will study them today. Okay, so let's begin with the basics. So a favor is something what you do for someone in order to help them. You can say, do someone a favor. Could you do me a favor? You can ask a favor of someone. Can I ask a favor of you? Sometimes you owe someone a favor. I'll ask Steve, he owes me a favor. You can also return a favor. Thank you so much for your help. I'll return the favor sometime. And you can also do something as a favor. He wouldn't take any money for his work. He insisted he was doing it as a favor. Also, a favor is support and admiration from people. You can find, gain or win favor with someone. This approach has won more favor in the US than in Britain. Sometimes we can lose favor with someone or something. Animal prints in clothes have lost favor in recent years. If you curry a favor, you try to get someone's support and admire you. He was an ambitious young man willing to curry favor with his superiors. There is also an expression to be in favor. So if you are in favor of something, you support it and think that it is a good thing. Yet, this is a government which proclaims that it is all in favor of immigration. The vote passed with 111 in favor and 25 against. And the first synonyms for favor are good turn, service, benefit, courtesy. If you favor something, you prefer it to the other choices available. She has to wear business style in her office, but she really favors jeans if you ask her. Here the synonyms are privileged, advantaged, lucky, blessed, preferred, special, chosen, or favorite. If you favor someone, you treat them better or in a kinder way that you treat other people. Her younger brother was the favorite child, encouraged and admired by both parents. Here the synonyms are privileged, advantaged, lucky, blessed. If you want to improve your level of English in an enjoyable way, check if you understand native English speech flow, learn new phrases and words in an entertaining, easy, pleasant way, then you are in the right place. Here on my channel you will find many more videos like this with the meanings of the words and expressions that you can learn and use already the same day, speeches of native speakers, celebrities, famous people, movies, news, songs and many more. So make sure to check out my other videos to see if any of them would be interesting for you too, and maybe subscribe for my channel so that you do not lose it and you don't miss my new videos. Also, there is an expression to be in somebody's favor. For instance, if someone makes a judgment in your favor, they say that you are right about something. We hope the final decision will be in our favor. The judge ruled in our favor. He did quite an extra work to get back in the headmaster's favor. Also, we may talk about something being in favor or out of favor. If somebody or someone is in favor, people like and support them. And obviously, if they are out of favor, people no longer like or support them. And also, if one thing is rejected in favor of another, the second thing is done or chosen instead of the first one. For instance, the old company's policy was rejected in favor of a more customer-friendly approach. I could give up a potential pay raise in favor of more flexible working hours. And the synonyms are for, backing, supporting, behind. I could give up a potential pay raise for flexible working hours, supporting more flexible working hours. And what about you? What would you give up in favor of more flexible hours? Or would you rather not? Please leave a comment below. It's interesting to see your opinion on this matter. He was an ambitious young man willing with his superiors. He was an ambitious young man willing to curry favor with his superiors. We hope the final decision will be in our favor. If this small lesson was any interesting or helpful for you, please give it thumbs up because it will make a huge difference for this video and my channel. Please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that ring bell button so that you will be notified about my new videos. Until then, take care and hope to see you in my new lessons. Bye!